Hey guys, Hop here. Thank you for tuning in to TFBTV. We are in Dallas, Texas at the NRA Annual Meeting 2024 at the Anderson booth, taking a look at a new series of rifles, hoping we could walk us through them.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by first off, Hop. We just launched our Frontline series at SHOT Show. It's a derivative of our Defender series, which is our LE military spec rifles. So what we've done different on the Frontline series is we actually revamped our handguards. We got these anti-rotation shoulders implemented and a tapered retention system. So it just indexes onto that barrel nut. And if you ever did want to put a forward laying optic, you don't have to worry about this thing rotating or walking out on you. You're not going to lose a zero on something like that. We implemented the 2 QD points on either side. And then the M-Lok spread out throughout, even at the 45-degree angle sides. As we walk back here, they come standard with the Breek Arms Warhammer charging handle. If you wanted to run this thing suppressed, it's going to blow that gas away from your eyes and your face. It's also ambidextrous. Implemented the Magpul K2 grip, the Magpul BSL stock, and we really tuned it up with the buffer system and the gas system. For instance, on this one, 16-inch mid-length gas system, we implemented the H2 buffer. Give you a little less felt recoil, and then out of the box, you don't have to worry about fine-tuning it for a suppressor. You just pop the A2 flash hider off, put whatever flash hider you want, or quick detach mount, throw your suppressor on, you're ready to rock. So,
you guys also have a couple quad rails on some of these models as well?
Yes, sir. We got 2 for the quad rail gang. We got the Frontline QR16, Frontline QR10.5. And then we also got the 7.5, which is right behind me, which is the only one that's chambered in 300 blackout. Everything else is 5.56.
Are these components also going to be available just like a la carte from your website?
Yes, sir. So you can get the complete uppers, or you can buy it part by part and build your own. So we brought the Frontline series, like I said, derivative of the Defender series that we do for law enforcement, but we want to take Anderson to that next step. Other than being what we were well known for, which is your entry-level rifles, we'd like to take a step into the mid-tier and try to continue to evolve as a company.
Do you guys have a price point and availability for the Frontline series?
Yep. So on our website, you're looking around $800. In stores, you're looking at $725.
And these are already shipping. You guys launched them at SHOT Show, so they're all on the shelves and everything?
Already shipping. You can probably find them at your local FFL. If you can't, ask the guy behind the counter and they can get them for you.
Excellent. Thanks for walking us through the rifles, Kyle.
Hey, thank you, Hop.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned. It's TFBTV Showtime. Still got a lot of stuff to come from the NRA Annual Meeting 2024.